Hey, what's happening, everybody? We are loaded up. We're so excited. Our first road trip from Butuan, our first really road trip since Samar.
Yeah.
Super stoked, guys. We're going to be gone for maybe even close to a month. We don't know quite sure, but our destination is the MassKara Festival up in Bacolod. We got just over a week to get there, and then we'll have a week in Bacolod shooting that MassKara Festival and checking it out. So super excited. So we're going to ride that whole northern coast of Mindanao and then up over to Dumaguete and then up Dumaguete finally to Bacolod. But today we're going to do a real scenic route. I'm excited to show you. What's that region called?
Calaveria.
Calaveria?
Yeah.
Super beautiful, guys. We'll definitely get the drone up and show you around if the weather cooperates. But yeah, super stoked today. We got about a 4-hour ride. Our final destination today is going to be CDO. So we're going from Butuan to CDO. I'll put it up on the map. And yeah, gorgeous ride through the mountains. Hanog, another really cool town. Love it. I've done this route once before, but from the opposite direction. So excited to see it. So when I was riding CDO to here, back whenever the heck I did that trip. So we got the bikes loaded up. Look at all that, man. It's just nuts. And your bike's loaded up too. I like your little bow on the back of there.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's cute.
Yeah. All right. So yeah, you ready for this trip? You excited
Yeah.
about it?
Yes, I'm excited about it. And it's my first time to ride in a big city like CDO.
Yeah. First time riding in CDO. I think we'll
Yeah.
be fine. I think we'll hit it in the middle of the day. So I think we'll be all right. And then we'll plan on trying to peel out of there early in the morning. But all right, guys, we're going to hop on the bikes and get on the road. We'll stop along the way and show you some stuff. So be right back. Hey, guys. We are, about an hour and a half into the ride, just out of a small town called Hanog. I'll put it up on the map, kind of exactly where I'm at. This is where it just starts to get epic, man. Right through here, this route in between Hanog and CDO, you go through these mountains. Absolutely gorgeous route, man. Look at this road too. Big old 4-lane road, newly paved, super easy riding, man. The NX is just a beast on these types of roads, man. Super efficient, really good gas, confidence inspiring. Kids yelling out. Yeah, guys, we're in Mindanao, right? We're in the mountain ranges of Mindanao. Not a lot of foreigners out here at all. So, but I love it. Actually, this is the kind of the area that I like to be in. And Hanog, man, that town there, that looks really, really good, man. Really a great town. Located right at the base of these mountains here. Just gorgeous, just gorgeous. Even a little more province than Butuan, where you're at. So you're a little more remote out there in Hanog, but still a great option, I think, if you guys are looking for some smaller town areas. Definitely would suggest looking at Hanog. But yeah, we're, let's see, how far are we out? Just over 2 hours. 2 hours and 2 minutes out to CDO. And this next hour and a half is just gonna be freaking rock star. I love this route here. It's been a while since I've been on it, but it's one of my favorite roads through here. I'm hoping the weather cooperates. I'm looking at the clouds. It looks like we've got some rain maybe, but that's why everything is green here. They get a little bit of moisture, so. All right, I just wanted to turn on the camera real quick. We're in mid-ride. If it works, we've got some good kind of pull-off areas. We'll pull off, show you guys around. We'll get the drone up. Dying to get the new drone up and give you guys some cool aerial shots. Hopefully the weather cooperates, because like I said, it's looking a little dark. But oh well, man. All right, guys, we'll pick it up in just a minute. Hey guys, we stopped and pulled over for a minute. Man, we are just through the Cagayan mountain range, and man, what a trip, huh?
Yeah.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Yes, I'm speechless. It's beautiful than Cebu.
Gorgeous.
And
gorgeous.
it feels like it's cold, like in Batangas.
I was gonna ask you.
Yeah, it's bug.
How did you do in the temperature there? Bugnal kayo, right?
Yeah, it's like our AC in the house.
Right? Super
but
cold.
fresh air, yeah.
Yeah. This road is beautiful through here, super twisty, really good scenes. A little bit cloudy, which feels good, but I don't think we have the views that we would have if it was clear, but still gorgeous.
It's so nice.
Yeah.
I'm speechless, and I was like, Oh, I wish I was a passenger princess.
Oh, what do we have? We have like an hour and a half to
Yeah, an hour and a half.
CDO.
Yes.
Beautiful, guys. Really beautiful out here. We're going to stop. I'm going to go ahead and get the drone up right now. We just want to stretch our legs, so we'll put in some drone footage and we'll get back on the road. Pretty cool. Anything you want to add about the ride so far or anything?
No,
Yeah.
it's so good.
Nice, right? Just outside of Hanog to right here is just
Yes.
beautiful through here. So
And the roads is nice.
Yeah.
Not really like summer.
right. Yeah, no, the roads are really good. Yeah,
Yeah.
there's some 4-lane roads. I vlogged a little bit there earlier too, so I turned the camera on. All right, guys, so we're gonna get the drone up, so stay tuned for some drone footage, and then we'll end the video at the hotel. We're staying at more than likely at the Red Planet.
Yeah, Red Planet.
So that's where we're going to, more than likely. We'll finish the video off there, but hang tight. All right, we made it. We're here at the Red Planet downtown CDO. I'll put in a map link exactly where it's at. Not bad, right? 4,000 a night.
Yeah.
Super affordable. I'll convert that out. Quick tour real quick, and then we'll do a riding recap. Yeah, here's the bathroom, shower. We actually just took a shower. We got in a little bit ago, got all cleaned up, so not bad. Actually, I really like the soap in that shower there. That was nice. Feels super good.
The hot shower.
Yeah, really nice hot shower. So, guys, we made it. I don't even know how many hours. What, close to 4, I think, hours. I'll put it up in the thing.
So.
Nice ride, though, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
nice ride
Go ahead.
from Butuan to Claveria. Yeah, it's nice there.
Yeah.
I wish as what I've said earlier, I wish I'm just a passenger because it's
Right.
really nice. It's like a chicken intestine. You know
It's
that?
like a what?
Chicken intestine.
Oh, chicken intestine. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, it's all
Yeah.
squirty. Yeah, from Hinog to almost the CDO is absolutely epic. Really beautiful. I love that part of this route. Beautiful. I love it. But guys, we're here in CDO for a couple nights. Would you? So we rode as you're a new rider. So she's just learning riding and riding in CDO. How's that been for you so far? Just kind of coming into the town.
It's kind of tricky, and it's very traffic in here because of pot and tricycle
Right.
and jeepney.
We don't have that in
And-
Butuan.
Yeah, we don't have that in Butuan because they don't allow tricycle in the main road,
Right.
or whatever. So yeah, here it's very tricky, and also there are some riders that they can't wait for the traffic or the lights. They insisted the right of way, and I was kinda, I don't want to be in accidents, so
Right.
just go ahead. So yeah,
No, that's true. There are some pretty aggressive riders, but you did fine.
yeah.
But yeah, for riding in Cebu, riding in CDO, riding in some of these bigger towns, they can be a little bit tricky. So definitely for the more intermediate, advanced riders for sure. But you're doing
Yeah.
great. You know, we're kind of going through it together. But yeah, just starting this trip, we're going to be on the road for quite a while. Super excited, super stoked. Yeah, so we'll shoot some videos from CDO. I think we'll shoot at least one from here, and then we'll be on the road again because we're here for 2 nights.
Yes.
All right, guys, that's it for this video. Really appreciate everyone watching. Amping ayawayo.
and feed a good wolf.
Yes, be that good wolf. What's up to your throat? You got a frog in your throat? All right, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Bye. I don't know if you noticed, but because you kept scooting back, and I'm trying to keep you around. That was funny.